Turn off power up panel. Shut off water supply. Disconnect water supply line. Disconnect drain hose. Remove lower access panel. Disconnect hot and neutral wiring. Unscrew ground wire. Remove lock nut and cable. Remove screws from top support brackets. Pull out old dishwasher. Feed hoses through as removing. Remove access panel on new dishwasher. Install water supply hose with adapter fitting. Feed hoses into cabinet. Feed electrical into back of access panel. Install lock nut. Wire nut hot and neutral. Screw on ground wire. Install electrical box cover plate. Connect water supply line. Connect drain hose. Install new upper support brackets. Install weather stripping along sides. Adjust leveling feet. Push unit back to flush front edges. Attach brackets with screws to cabinet. Break off extra bracket. Install access panel. Turn on water supply. Turn on electrical. Enjoy!